Habibi, welcome to Marrakesh. Hey guys, yesterday we had such a kind of good slash bad day. Initially we left our suitcase, or we took the wrong suitcase like we told you guys earlier, but eventually we found it. The lady that had the suitcase we took did not take ours away, so she left it at the airport. So we just went back to the airport. Someone noticed our suitcase as we were waiting in the baggage claim, and she said, oh, we know what has happened. Yeah, the lady has already said our suitcase was missing. So yeah, we just left ours, gave her a call, thanked her for, you know, obviously not taking ours away, and then left ours and then took ours back. So that was kind of, we're just praying that it goes really well and it's not more of an hassle, but it wasn't, so it was quite good. Then after that, we went to the market, which was interesting. It was beautiful. Yeah, everyone is just literally harassing you for something. They want you to buy something off them. You know, someone gave me this yesterday and that cost me quite a bit, and I was like,
that's £35 for this.
I have to pay for the service. But the way she did it was so tricky. She literally, let me just see your ads, and she just started putting this on. Apparently this means Max and Mife love, something like that in Arabic. So yeah, it wasn't that bad. Today we're just doing content. Today's all content day. We started shooting already. We're gonna kind of shoot loads of content around where we're staying, and you know, just around everywhere. I create a lot of content and stuff, so if you're not following us on Instagram, better be. Go and follow us. It's at Max and Mife, and you can see all the content we're gonna take right here in Marrakesh. And then yeah, after that we're going for dinner. We've not had luck with good food since we came to Marrakesh. We had the pasta yesterday that we both didn't like, and we both didn't eat it. So but today we ordered from KFC, and it was quite good, very swift. We had an order in less than 10 minutes. That was quick, the quickest ordering service I've ever had. And we used this app called Colourful, something like that, and it was really quick. It was really good. There's Burger King and there's Pizza Hut and there's all these other places, so it was quite nice. Yeah, so far so good. It's been good.
Hi guys, so it's currently 7 o'clock. I was just leaving the house. We've been filming like reels. Yeah, we slept most of the time and then we woke up quite late. I'm sure Max will have told you guys all of this anyways. Oh no, you're fine. But we're currently going to Careful to buy some. We're going to Careful, which is a supermarket, to buy some groceries. And yeah, oh, I'm with the key. Let's go. So yeah, if anything interesting, we'll show you guys. And we have dinner tonight, so we'll see. Bye.
We are at the supermarket. That's my friend there, rolling the trolley, and we're buying some drinks, food. Yeah. Mirinda. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. This water, we found them in Spain. We went to Spain, and they're here. Never thought we'd see them again. But they're here. Looks absolutely beautiful. The bottle. Look at that. Class. Glass? No, it's plastic. Face.
Yes.
Because of macarons. Look at that. What is this? They're like puff puff. Is that not like puff puff? Hallelujah. We got brioche. This is my name. Call my name. So guys, we decided to come to KFC again. Yeah, because obviously it was nice yesterday, why not? The fair's already digging in. But yeah, we're right now in KFC. We're trying it for the second time. It's actually good. This time we came to actually sit in, and it's really much different. So guys, it's almost bedtime for us now. Today we practically did fuck off. Actually today we did nothing really. We just chilled, stayed, went to the pool, jacuzzi, went out, took a walk, walked around, saw some some nice things. Went to KFC, which was good. What else did we do? Nothing really, that was it. Then we went to the market, the square, again to have some food. That was today. It was really a calm, chilled, more like relaxing, But tomorrow, we are going to the deserts and we're going to the Agafay Desert. So we're climbing the mountain. We are going on a camel ride. It's a full day excursion. It starts at 9, finishes 5. So we'll be taking you guys with us. So yeah, but until tomorrow, today, it's time for bed. See you guys tomorrow. Day 4 of Marrakesh. Habibi, welcome to Marrakesh. It's recorded. It's recorded.
Oh.
So yeah, we are right now we've started our excursion basically.
Yeah.
And we are on our way to see the waterfalls, the Agafay waterfall.
Agafay Mountain.
No, Agafay Desert.
Agafay Desert.
Yes, and some waterfall. We'll tell you the names as we get along. But right now we're in a city called Seoul, or rather a village called Seoul, and it's actually really beautiful.
I think these are mosaics and quads, I think. And then they've got like these trees are actually beautiful. I think one good thing is the fact that we don't have space, because if we did have space, we would have been tempted to buy stuff, but we don't have space to carry anything. Okay.
We stopped at this amazing village in the valley. It was absolutely stunning. Look at that, so beautiful. And on our way to Agafay Desert, we actually stopped at this place where we made argan oil from scratch. Like, it was a beautiful experience. So guys, this is Asnim Valley. Really beautiful. So guys, we have like a 1 hour hike on the mountains. So literally just climbed up from down there, and Mife is just about holding up. And yeah,
I'm giving up.
she's about to give up, but we're gonna do it. We'll get there. We'll get there eventually. I'm fine for now. So got my backpack, loaded it with so much stuff. Should have known to take less stuff with me, but it's all good. Got my stand, camera, got all the gears.
You carried stand.
I've got water, 1 liter. I should have taken just like 50 cm. But yeah, so far so good. I have to take a break. So who lives here?
Yeah, today coming back here for sleep in this house.
Oh, like hotel.
Yeah.
Nice.
Now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. And up there, just normal houses?
Yeah. They live here. Yeah, and not down.
Up here? Like, they make the strip up here every single day. Down, up, down, up. They will be so fit. So these are like houses. Yeah guys, these are all walnuts. Like you can see, they just fall from the tree and you can eat them fresh. We literally just had some literally just falling down from the tree. Fresh walnuts. Interesting stuff. This is the first time we've ever done this sort of hiking. So I find, like my friend was saying, she only watches this on YouTube. So yeah, it's actually nice.
I can see the waterfall.
We can see the waterfall. Excited. Right, anyway, we'll show you guys the waterfall now. What? We made it, guys!
What?
We made it!
Oh guys, we have to cross this little bridge right now. It's not the most adventurous thing. Wow. Wow. So you go first. So this is like some pretty nice.
Here we have very
Beautiful.
special jalaba, Berber jalaba.
Yeah.
Jacket
The jacket one.
with the zip. And we have a Berber silver. All of this stuff is handmade.
Ah. Got some beautiful carpets. Trying to make a decision. It's just a lot of options. But yeah, they are also beautiful, and these are all handmade. So yeah, support the community, I guess. It's really beautiful. Right, so guys, we're having a quick stop for lunch, and here is
Ooh, got some WhatsApp messages.
like, look at that, priceless, absolutely.
What I have now makeup, this is the makeup. For the woman, let's give one color of clothes. And
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh,
It's natural, yeah.
Ah.
It's natural one.
We are fully geared up. Look at that. Look at we're fully dressed for camera ride. Right in the desert, guys. So we're going on the camera ride and stuff. That was quick, rapid. Is it juice? Look at your face. So cute. How is this possible?